Window cleaning. Does it have to be so wet? Not anymore. The new window vacuum from Lifehide revolutionizes window cleaning. No more drips and drops, no more streaks, no extra wiping. The Lifehide window vacuum removes water without hassle. With its innovative standby sensor for extra long battery use, you can even clean large surfaces. The Lifehide click system works with a variety of compatible handles for high windows, for skylights and roof windows, and for the conservatory. It's also perfect for the bathroom, the shower, tiles, and mirrors. Put an end to drips, drops, and streaks with the new Lifehide window vacuum.
I trust in Lifehide.
For bright windows without drips and drops, effortless, streak-free, the new Lifehide window vacuum.